Hey there, this is Rowan with Punk Rock Hoops, and we wanted to show you why we decided we needed a fiber studio. This is my teacher, Lisa. She's a textile artist and fellow hottie hooper. These are my friends, and we don't always dress this way. This is a Halloween day, but we're pretty creative as a bunch. This is a parade route we're in right here, but always we're interesting and expressive. We have a camp called Hottie Hoop Camp, and there's a lot of sewing machine and sergers and dragging stuff out and cutting things up and sewing them back together. This is Laura Burns from Radical Body Love, being creative as usual. I really love this photo because this is Laura helping Seven get fitted for a cape with her mom Karen looking on. And here we are in all different shapes and sizes, wearing our different capes that we crafted and constructed there on the beach. This is my sister Blythe. She's hooping using a GoPro. And you can see when a hoop comes around that we've cut out the back of her shirt there. And it's fun because it's a butterfly on the front and a butterfly almost in the back. Ta-da! I also wanted to make utility belts so I could hoop hands-free. This is what Blythe looks like when she's happy and content. This is what she looks like when she says she's going to throw this ratty piece of crap ironing board out into the front porch, or even further, punt it into the street. This is a Singer sewing machine that we dug out from the back recesses. And Blythe's cleaning it off so we can start to use it. We were told that all you needed was the directions in order to be able to use a sewing machine, but my sister pointed out that somebody had scribbled over them in precisely the area that she needed, so she jumped on YouTube to learn how to thread it. So that was round one of creating a fiber studio. We decided we needed one. We decided we were cool enough and would use one often enough. We found the old sewing machine, looked around for some scissors, and cleaned things off. So what's in your fiber studio, if you have one? Here's Lisa and her daughter Gia wearing some pearl snaps that we dyed and altered a little bit. So this is kind of where we're going with our fiber works. And we'd like to get them on larger ladies like myself and my sister and a lot of our people. We call that the Rowan and Blythe and Laura size, which is all over 14. If you're game, leave me a list in the comments below about things that you want to see in your studio, if you want to. And as always, much love to the Vibe Tribe. We've had a lot of fun taking these pictures, all these different events these last few years. We hope to take a bunch more. Thanks for watching.